The indicator which I am going to use today has come right from our kitchens, and it is the same Indian spice without which we cannot imagine our dals and curries. Yes, you guessed it right. It is the yellow spice turmeric, and this can be used in two forms. It may be dissolved in water and used as a solution, or a paste of turmeric may be applied on a piece of paper, and this paper will act as a turmeric paper, giving us indication of whether a substance is acidic or basic. Now, let us start our activities. The first test solution which I am going to use is the lemon juice. To this lemon juice I am going to add turmeric solution. On adding the turmeric solution, you may notice that the color has remained yellow and there is no effect of lemon juice on turmeric solution. Our next test solution is vinegar. When we add turmeric solution to vinegar, you may notice whether there is any change produced. Again we find that the color has remained yellow. The next test solution I have made by mixing Dranex in water. This is our Dranex, and you may observe the change produced when turmeric solution is added to it. You may notice that the color has immediately changed into a nice red color. Now, I am going to use detergent solution and then adding turmeric solution to it. You may notice that the color has started to deepen and it has started to change into a red color. Now, we may use this turmeric paper as an indicator and try with some other test solutions. This is our lemon juice, and now I am going to dip this part of turmeric paper and see whether any change is produced or not. You may find that there is no change produced. Now I am going to use this turmeric solution, and now I am going to dip it into Dranex solution. You may find if there is any change produced. When I am dipping it into Dranex solution, you may find that immediately the color has been changed into red. And this side, if you find, when I have dipped this turmeric paper into acidic solution, there is no change produced. Now, can I write something on it? So let me try to write something. This is our turmeric indicator, and by dipping it into a base, now I want to write something on this paper. Life is good. So here turmeric paper is acting as an indicator, and when I am using a base, I can write it on it.